Many ask us, is there still good news coming out of the Philippines? Even in the midst of adversity, there are stories of resilience, hope, and recovery, and that's the role online publications like goodnewspilipinas.com aim to play. See how digital media can be a force for good. Kung kaya namin gawin to na nagsimula lang kami na maliit na grupo lang at lumaki siya bilang mag-iisang impactful award-winning website, kaya nyo rin pong gawin yan. You know, anyone can do it as long as you have like a blueprint to get there and you have the passion. Every story has power, especially the good ones. Whether you're a student, an educator, or a content creator, know that you can contribute to building a better narrative for the Philippines. Tapos pag may interns kami, ito masaya. Yung interns mismo, pinapa-represent namin sa Good News Pilipinas.